Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we have the topic Lahhan. Lahhan means to have an error in one accent. Error, mistake in one's accent. Lahhan, basically we have two types, Lahhan Jali and Lahhan Khafi. Lahhan Jali mean big mistake, Lahhan Khafi mean small mistake. First of all, we will read the Lahhan Jali, big mistake. And big mistake, Lahhan Jali, we have four categories of Lahhan Jali. Very easy. First is to change the letter to different letter. Second, to change the harka to different harka, to change the sign to different sign. Third, to elongate the sound of any letter. And the fourth one, to shorten the sound of any letter. Very easy, we can memorize it. First of all, we have two types of Lahhan Jali and Lahhan Khafi. Big mistake, small mistake. And big mistake, Lahhan Jali, we have four categories. To change the letter, to change the harka, to elongate the sound of any letter, to shorten the sound of any letter. Again, to change the letter, to change the harka, sign, to elongate, to shorten, to elongate, to shorten. Again, we can memorize it. Four categories: to change the letter, to change the sign. Third, to elongate, to shorten, to elongate, to shorten, to elongate the sound of any letter, to shorten the sound of any letter. These are the four categories. These are the big mistakes. We have to learn clear how to read the Quran. For example, the first we read to change the letter, like here is qalbun, this is a kalbun, because qaf and kaf are different letters. Qaf, this is a heavy, kaf light, qaf echo without echo. This is a qalbun, this kalbun. Fi qulubihim, not kulubihim, kalubi, no. Qaf, kaf, different. Qul, kul, because meaning are changed. Qalbun mean heart, dil, heart. Kalbun mean dog. Qalb, kalb. Qalb, kalb. Qaf, kaf. Like ha and ha are different. Alhamdu, alhamdu. Alhamdu. Like Sad and Sin. They are different. Sad is heavy, Sin is light. Nasrun. Meaning are different. Nasrun mean to help, and Nasr mean to worship. And we have a lot of examples, like Tha without whistle, Sin had whistle. And first of all, to change the letter, we have to read the correct letter. Qaf is qaf. Qaf, kaf, ha, ha, sad, s, f, aq, ak. These are different. Second one, to change the harka, to change the sign, like an'amtu, an'amta, pesh and zabar. These are different. Dhamma and fatha, meaning are changed. An'amtu mean I bestowed. If we read an'amta, this means you bestowed. We have to read correct sign, correct harka. Correct harka, zabar, zed, pesh, fatha, dhamma and kasra. Third one, to elongate the sound of any harka, any letter, like we have lam yalid. If you read lam yalid, it's wrong. This is the correct one. Lam yalid, not lam yalid. Alhamdu, not alhamdu, is wrong. Iyaka, not iyaka. Wrong. Fourth one, to shorten the sound of any letter. If we have madda, we have to do mad. Like walam yulad. If we read walam yulad, this is wrong. This is the correct one. Walam yulad. Walam yulad. Not walam yulad. Like in namaz. وَتَعَالَى جَدُّكَ. Standing zabar. وَتَعَالَى جَدُّكَ is wrong. وَتَعَالَى جَدُّكَ. وَتَعَالَى جَدُّكَ is wrong. وَتَعَالَى جَدُّكَ. Standing zabar is long. Alif madda is long. Waw madda is long. Ya madda is long. Standing zabar, standing zir, and inverted pesh. These are the long. 4 categories of big mistake we have to read correct. If we do any 4 category like a big mistake, this is the forbidden, this is the haram, and we will not get the sawab, we will not get the reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the big mistake we have to learn correct. This is the forbidden, haram. And the second one is a small mistake, second type of lahan, small mistake, like error in gunna, ikhfa, izhar, idgham. This is a small mistake. This is the hateful action. But prayer will be correct with small mistake. But with big mistake, Lahhan Jali, prayer is not correct with big mistakes. Lahhan Jali, we have to learn correct to reading of Quran. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.